Good morning guys, today we've got here XIAOMI Pad 8 and let me show you how to allow unknown sources. So if you wish to install something via external source, just enter the settings, then from main settings list select privacy protection. From privacy protection go to special permissions, and here you've got install unknown apps. So pick the one through which you want to install another one and mark allow from the source. Now just take a look at this notification here and just be aware that install apps from unknown sources is highly sensitive permission. If you grant this permission, your private info might be leaked and your property might be at risk. And if you still want to do it, just mark that you are aware and click on OK. And that's it. Obviously you can do it for any other app of yours. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.